This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I'm coming with a new Jonny Blockchain video. During the last few days, the community keeps talking about the Binance integration and the wonderful results they are having there. Currently, I'm using only the DEX Trader. I was about to add a couple of new coins to my list, so I think this is the perfect chance to use the Binance automation. During this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to activate the Binance automation. I will show you some of the coins that I want to try, a couple of extra tips to keep running your bots without any problems. I'm not going in depth about some of those topics because, as you know already, here in the user's guide you have all the steps, all the videos we need to follow in order to integrate our Binance account. There is also a video on how to find the top gainers and top losers. Those are the recommended pairs that we can use to run our automation. I'm currently testing a couple of similar bots. I really like this new concept because, first of all, we are always in control of our money. We don't need to send our crypto to some random person online. That means no more rug pulls. You are in total control of your capital, but there is a different type of risk. It's important to find an algorithm that can react to any type of conditions, a system that offers consistency, a track record of positive results, security, user-friendly. The most important is our accounts are not going to be liquidated. From the list that I'm testing right now, honestly, Jonny Blockchain fills all the boxes. I'm really happy with the results here, and if you decide to give it a try, I'm pretty sure this is going to be one of your favorite projects this year. Before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will really appreciate your likes and your comments. That will really help me to put this information out there. So, to get started, we're going to go where it says My Wallet. I already purchased the Binance license. It costs only 25 USDT for 1 year. If this is your first time, then you're going to see a button right here to purchase that license. Make sure you have a balance right here in this wallet. The cost is going to be deducted from that balance and leave around 5 or 10 bucks in this wallet. That is always needed for you to run the automation. Also, always make sure you have a minimum of 0.04 BNB in this wallet. That's how you're going to pay your gas fees. Now what I need to do is click here in Edit API Key. Go to Create API Key inside your Binance. First, you need to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Jonny Blockchain Spot. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to go back, paste it here. Now I need my secret key. I need to select this one, copy, paste it right here. Here in Binance, we're going to click in Modify. And right here below, we're going to click in paste the Jonny Blockchain IP address. I will put it in the description of this video. All right. I click in Confirm. And all I need to do right here is click in Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Now we click in Save. Back to the members area. I'm going to click Save. Right here we can test the connection and says that it's working well. I guess we need to activate this one and leave it in the default settings. All right. Make sure you always have enough BNB there to pay transactions. Also keep an extra USDT to cover the positions that the bot is going to open. Let's say you want to allocate $1,000 for your bots. It could be one bot or it could be 5 bots. It's all the same. Let's say you have 1,000. Probably put, I don't know, 1,100. Just put a little extra so your bot won't stop working if they don't have enough balance, enough USDT. All right. Now I guess we're going to go to create our bot right here. We're going to click in this plus sign. I'm going to switch to Binance. The community is talking a lot about Santos. So let's give it a try. Let's add it to our list. Leave it in activated, auto compound. I'm going to click right here to create a loop. I'm going to put 100. To reduce the amount that we're going to allocate, we need to go to the bottom of the page and start removing positions. Just keep doing that until you reach the amount that you want to allocate for that bot. 240. 128. That's 104. Let's leave it right there. The rest, we just leave it in the default settings. Now we click in save. And that's the first bot. Oh, let me go back. I'm going to change right here the name. This is Santos 104. Save. Okay. I'm going to do the same for a couple other coins. In the next couple of days, I will come back here to show you my progress. I will show you the earnings. I want to try something like this one, Pendle. I'm not sure if they have it. I'm going to check. These are some of the coins that I have in my watch list. There is Mantra, which is doing really good as well. This one, UMA. This is also in the top picks of Binance. It's been having good results. There is also Injective. And if you want to see my watch list, I will leave the link in the description of this video. I like to have my watch list in CoinMarketCap because we have more stats. I can see how much they are trading right now, the top picks, the evolution. What I'm doing is simply, let me show you this one. I always go to check how they've been performing for the last year. Only this one has been growing at 253% the last month. This one has a lot of fluctuation, and that is a good thing for the Jonny Blockchain automation. If we see that they have a good evolution in the past, but in the last few days they've been going down, most probably they're going to try to go back to the resistance level. I also check right here if we have good news about that particular token, if the community is bullish, as you can see right here. I already created an automation with this particular token inside Jonny Blockchain. You can see there it generates already a 43%. There are users with over 100 in returns only with this one. As I told you already, I'll come back here and I will show you my results now with the new Binance automation. If you have any questions for me, you can leave those down below in the comment section, or you can also find me on my Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes, I will appreciate your comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications for this channel. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.